you do me like Joanna.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Jo and I'm back with another video. So I didn't do a moving vlog, which I'm very sorry about. I mentioned in my packing for college vlog that I didn't. I forgot, stuff happened, but it's okay because I am rectifying that whole entire situation by doing a dorm transformation video. So I moved in yesterday, the 15th, today's the 16th. I'm gonna show you what I have so far in my dorm, and then we're gonna go on this process of just revamping my dorm and making it look really nice. I might blow some money, but that's okay because this is my first room that I'm gonna have that's by myself completely. So I just want to make it really nice and feel homey and just be very good and productive learning environment, so I just have all this space to myself. So let me give you a quick overview of what it looks like right now. So this is my door. It's pretty empty, and then you just open it and you walk in, and this is how my dorm looks as of right now. Mirror, and then I have this photo collage wall, and then that's basically it. I have that beanbag chair there, and that's that. So this is one of my photo walls, and I made a TikTok about this, and this is 50 pictures. It is 5 by 5, but I need more pictures, so I'm must be finding 60 more pictures. I need 15 pictures on this side and 15 pictures on this side. I have these photos, and these are gonna go above my bed right here. So I'm gonna do them up first, and then I'm having to find more pictures for this side of the wall also. And then I'm gonna add pictures here or a different aesthetic, same luxury, black women in luxury, bougie aesthetic, but with different colors, more earth tones, blues and greens in this area right here. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got today for decorating and transforming my dorm. So I got this really big plush, super soft throw pillow. Got it from Gabe's. I don't have the scissors to show you, but it's white with grayish tinge. And then I got these succulents from Five Below. I don't know, we're putting them somewhere. And then I got this clock. I don't even read clock. I know how to, but I don't. But we got this is going somewhere in the dorm. And then of course, I got so many more pictures, like 154 more pictures. And then we got mountain putty, sticky tie. I don't. We got this. You can also get it in blue for the pictures. And then, I say we, I meant Kiki and I. And I got this mirror because I just needed a closer mirror of myself. And that's all I also got command hooks to put somewhere, actual hooks. And that's all we bought for today. So one of my collages looks like this, and looks really nicely. Looks really nice. It looks nice. I don't know. Me and Kiki took a forever organizing it, and it's gonna go right here. That's the first one I put just so it can kind of be somewhat even, across to the other collage. So we'll see what's up. Okay, so yeah, I'm in my PJs, but I'm gonna hang up the clock. I put batteries in it and it's running. I kind of can't read it. So I don't know how to mount this. I think they're supposed to mount it with a hook, but I'm pretty sure I don't have any hooks that's it's gonna stay onto, or nails, and we're not allowed to put holes in the wall. And I'm not beat to pay for that. So I'm gonna use mounting putty and put it around here and see if it'll actually stick. I hope it does. Cause I have no other way to stick this because holes in the walls, I'm pretty sure is a big no-no. So I put the 4 on here, one here, one here, one here, and one up here. So we're gonna see if it actually is gonna not fit. How do you call it? Stay up there. gosh, it worked. It looks so good. Okay. These are the last of the pictures I'm putting up. So I did this yesterday morning, and then I'm gonna put these pictures right here so it can kind of go across. There's probably gonna be like room, like a slight room right here for like, that won't even fit a full picture, but that's okay, that's fine. And then this is how this looks. And that looks really nice. Like seeing it in like broad daylight makes it look so much more better. Like I love the color scheme. Y'all, the clock just fell. Oh, I'm gonna cry. The clock just fell. Like, it just fell, and you can kind of see the mounting putty. Like, it's just on the wall. I can't. I hate it here. So I use command hooks instead, and the clock is sticking. It's been on the wall for like, I don't know, like 2 or 3 hours and hasn't fallen yet. So progress, progress, progress. Okay, so I forgot to film me putting up my LED lights, but I did. And I'm really happy about how well they came out. So these, I don't know how to change the color on these. I don't know what I did. Anyways, but these are like a miniature LED lights. My best friend got it for me for my birthday because that's what I wanted. And they're 32 feet, so that like this one strip is 16 and this other strip is 16. Except my problem was I either had to connect the lights here so it can be on both sides of the room, or just connect it here. But then if I connected it behind the desk, it was only gonna be like on one side of the room, and I couldn't really have like wrapped it around anywhere else. So I chose that spot. And it's like in front, it's not really in front of the window, because I don't know if I told you guys this, but like that middle part where the light like is, it's not actually on it or hooked up or anything. It's just like an extra space, and the top is another window. So I just did it there because the ceilings are way too high for me to put them all the way at the top. Like I couldn't reach it, no one was gonna be able to reach that. So that's how the LED lights are looking, and I'm glad. I'm happy about how they turned out. Good morning. So I'm gonna show you guys what happened last night. I woke up this morning and it just fell. So I'm gonna show you what fell after all my hard work. But I had a feeling it wasn't gonna last, but damn, like it could have at least lasted a little bit longer. LED light, no LED light, because it fell. And actually that white box had fallen with it. I just put it back up this morning, and like it was just on my bed, and I was like, wow, I hate it here. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this LED light, how I'm gonna end up fixing it, because this side is connected, but like since it came in like there are 2 strips of 16, so it's supposed to connect to the same box. So I might have to buy a whole new pack of new lights and figure something out. So guys, and I think to decorate my room is this rug. It was $9 at Walmart, but it's so soft and fluffy. Like it is perfect. So we're gonna open it up. Like it's just super soft. Everybody loves how soft this is. I love how soft this is. Ooh, baby. Why I feel like I'm about to rip this? This way for the velvet comforter. I probably rolled it out the wrong way. Okay. Ooh. It's so soft. I don't know what the hell that is. Okay. Ah, it's perfect. I probably am gonna move it closer down because like my chair's gonna be in the way of it. But I love this. This is super soft, y'all. It is best $90 I ever spent. It hurt, but amazing. So today I'll be putting pictures all up on this back wall. I finally have my push pin, so we're gonna go and decorate it. So this is how it looks like. I really like it a lot. I decided to put all these pictures in the middle because it just made sense, and then it just happened to be perfect. 8 on this side, 8 on that side. So I like it a lot. Having on people with me, you know, when people I love with me when I study and everything. So the last thing I have in my room is this sunglasses case holder, like shelf. Hold up. Oh, I should open it from here. So this is what it looks like in the package, and that's it. Oh, there's screws for this. Oh my goodness. Okay, time to assemble this. So I finished putting it together. This is what it looks like. I think it'd be really cute to put my sunglasses on. Just a great addition to my room. Now I gotta figure out where I want to put this. Okay, so as I was editing this, I thought that I had actually filmed an outro for this, but obviously I didn't, and I'm editing this almost a month after I had filmed my dorm transformation video because a life in school happened. Anyway, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. The dorm tour is coming very, very soon, probably within a week or so. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with all your friends. See you next time. Bye.
Give it to them, give it to them.